Good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my patients who has traveled from Wisconsin. She came to Deuk Spine because she was having problems with her lower back. You want to tell us a little bit about your back problems?
Well, I'm 76 now and I've been having back pain since my late 30s. 6 years ago I had 2 fusions in my lower back. I felt good for about 5 months after those fusions, and then I had the pain again, and it's been quite debilitating, but today I feel wonderful.
Good for you. We didn't put you on powerful painkillers either after your surgery, did we? We gave you some Tylenol and Robaxin.
I do have a hydrocodone prescription. I took one this morning, but I did not take any last night. I slept like a baby.
Good for you. So the pain that you came to us with just a few days ago in your back, is that pain still there?
No.
Gone.
It's gone.
Yeah.
It's gone. All I feel is the mild pain from the surgery. That's all I feel.
Mostly from taking your stimulator out, because that was the biggest incision we made back there.
Yeah.
You can see in the video, you can see the laser in there repairing the 2 discs that we set out to repair, one from the right side, one from the left. We were able to get rid of the herniations and clean out the tears where your pain was coming from successfully. So that's why I think you're feeling so much better. So what are your plans now that that pain is gone?
Well, I'm looking forward to doing some gardening, cooking good meals. I haven't been able to cook very well at all because of the pain standing, and maybe even clean my own house instead of having to hire somebody to do it.
Well, I noticed you're here with your husband, and you guys drove and you're driving back. So how did your back pain, your chronic back pain, affect your husband and his relationship with you? Tell us about that.
He's been wonderful about it, but it has slowed down a lot of things that we could do, and he's had to listen to me moan a lot, but he's been so supportive.
I could see that.
Yeah.
I'm sure he's going to be happy now that he's getting his wife back and hopefully pain-free for the rest of your life.
Yeah, I'm just so thankful.
You're welcome. One last thing is, we took a spinal cord stimulator out because it wasn't working for you. Tell me more about the spinal cord stimulator.
I think it was about maybe 4 years ago that it was inserted, and I never did get much relief from it at all. They reprogrammed it several times. I still couldn't find a setting that helped. After a while, I just didn't even call them anymore to work on it. I just let it die.
So it wasn't working for you at all?
No.
And that's why we took it out. Anything you want to say to your friends and family before we wrap up?
I'm just looking forward to being able to do things without pain, without anyone having to listen to me talk about it. It's going to be wonderful.
Yeah, it is going to be wonderful.
Thank you.
You deserve to have a great quality of life.
Thank you.
And I want you to.
Thank you.
All right.
I'm so glad we found you.
I'm glad you found me too.
Yes.
Have a safe trip back home.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We will.